Dear friends, today's story is Antelope's Search for an Easy Life. Friends, this story is about an ant named Antelope who did not want to work hard. He found the life of an ant very difficult. One day he tells all his troubles to the king of ants, and the king grants Antelope's wish. But after this, something happens in Antelope's life that he gets surrounded by even more difficulties. Let's see how all this happens. Ant named Antelo lived with his crew of ants, who used to work all day long. Antelo did not like all this at all. He used to think how difficult it is to remain an ant who always has to keep walking for miles in search of food. Thinking all this, he always kept resting and eating food brought by others. His laziness greatly troubled Zuan, the king of the ants. One day, Zuan, the king of ants, called Antelo and asked the reason for his behavior. On this, Antelo expressed his grief to Zuan. Zuan asked, "If you don't want to be an ant, then what do you want?" On this, Antelo expressed his desire to become a bee. Antelo said, "The life of a bee is very enjoyable. Who always sits on flowers, flies wherever he wants, and sleeps in the hive at night after drinking honey." Hearing this, Zuan transformed Antelo into a honey bee. Antelo's happiness knew no bounds as soon as he became a honey bee. He thanked Zuan and flew towards the hive. On reaching the hive, Antelo found that all the bees were continuously working on making honey. There was no place to rest. Everything was running like a machine. Seeing Antelo, the queen bee put him to work also. As soon as the morning broke, Antelo was sent to collect the nectar of flowers. Antelo, when went outside in search of flowers, he saw that there was no sign of flowers outside. On top of that, it was so hot that he got tired while flying. Now Antelo's condition was getting so bad that he had to wander here and there in search of water. Soon he saw a river nearby. As soon as Antelo saw the river, he reached near the river and started drinking water. But while drinking water, Antelo slipped and he fell in the river. His wings got wet after falling into the river, and he found himself unable to fly. Antelo had no hope of survival until he saw a floating leaf. Antelo somehow saved his life by climbing on it. While swimming in the water, Antelo looked at the beautiful fishes and thought, "The life of the fishes is so easy and fun. They don't even have to make honey, they don't even have to fly in the sun. What's more, they are safe in the water too. Why didn't I desire such a life to Zuan?" Thinking this, Antelo became sad. While Antelo was thinking all this, he reached the bank of the river. And as soon as he arrived, he found Zuan there. When Zuan asked Antelo if he was happy now, Antelo said no, he was not happy and expressed his desire to become a fish. At this, Zuan smiled and transformed him into a beautiful fish and said, "Maybe now your life will become easier." Antelo was very happy with his fish appearance and he enjoyed the water very much. While roaming in the water, he found a tasty food item. Antelo's mouth watered after seeing it. Not wasting the opportunity, Antelo quickly grabbed it into his mouth. But what is this? He was entangled in the hook of fisherman's rod. The fisherman quickly put Antelo in his basket. Then he heard fisherman talking to his wife. He was asking his wife to cook fish curry tonight. Antelo now saw no hope of survival. He was regretting a lot about his wish. Here the fisherman's wife asked her child to bring the fish basket to her. The child soon took the basket and ran towards his mother. Just then Antelo got a chance to jump from the basket. He somehow ran away from there to save his life. Antelo understood that the life of a fish is full of dangers. Any human can catch it and eat it at any time. Such a life is full of difficulties. So he quickly went to Zuan and told him everything. At this, Zuan laughed and said, "So what do you want now?" Antelo said, "Zuan, I think man's life is the most comfortable because he eats the honey made by the hard work of the bees and also eats the fishes. Everything is easy for humans." Zuan had understood everything. He transformed Antelo into a young man and wished him good luck. Antelo was now very happy as he was enjoying the glare all around. He saw a lot while roaming around, which he could not see in the form of an ant, honey bee, or fish. After roaming around a lot, Antelo felt hungry and he stopped in front of a food shop. And he asked the shopkeeper, "Will you give me something to eat?" To this, the shopkeeper asked him for money. Antelo said, "Brother, I don't have any money." On this, the shopkeeper said, "If you don't have money, you won't get food. Yes, if you do some work for me in return, I can give you food." Hearing this, Antelo agreed. The shopkeeper gave him food, and Antelo kept his food aside and went to work. There he had to carry huge sacks of potatoes. He got tired of lifting them. Today he realized that humans have to work very hard to fill their stomach. Here everything has a price, nothing is available for free. After lifting the sacks of potatoes, he was so tired that he could no longer bear it, and he quickly ran to eat. But what is this? There were a lot of ants on his food. Depressed, Antelo now thought that he picked up a lot of potato sacks and sweated so much to earn this food. And these ants ate it so easily. Seeing all this, Antelo's search for an easy life was over. He had now understood that no life is easy. While he was thinking all this, Zuan arrived there. Antelo folded his hands as soon as he saw Zuan and said, "I'm sorry. I understand now that no life is easy, and hard work is what makes your life easy." Zuan turned him back into an ant and said, "Look, the life God has given you is the most suitable for you. You should accept it happily and never stop working hard. Hard work is the foundation of a successful life." Antelo now started working diligently with his old friends. Now he felt a sense of satisfaction. Friends, if you liked the story, please like, share and subscribe us. The Hindi version of this story is available on our channel. See link in description below. We are coming soon with more exciting and educational stories. Stay with us like this.